total of 90 red and yellow flags are lined along a jogging track. There are at least 4 red flags between any 2 yellow flags. What is the largest possible number of yellow flags along the jogging track? Okay, for this type of question, just go and draw out a visual representation of this question. So they mentioned that there are at least 4 red flags between any 2 yellow flags. Okay, so it will look something like this. Correct? So there are at least 4 red flags between any 2 yellow flags. So after these yellow flags, there will be 4 more red, okay, then yellow, yellow, and then it goes on. So once we have drawn out this visual representation, we have to look for what is the repeating unit. The repeating unit means a set of items that seems to be repeating itself over and over again. So it's actually yellow, yellow, red, 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 red. This is one repeating set. Okay, so this one is one set. Now, do you realize that in one set, there are 6 flags? In total, they said that there is a total of 90 red and yellow flags. In one set, there are 6 flags. So in 90 flags, we have to find out how many sets are there. So we'll just take 90 divided, okay, so number of sets. 90 divided by 6, and that will give us 3, 0, 5, 30, 15. So there will be 15 sets. So in one set, there is 2 yellow, 4 red, and then there are 15 sets altogether. So they ask what is the largest possible number of yellow flags along the jogging track. Okay, so the largest possible means that there must be the least number of red flags. The less red flags there are, the more yellow flags there will be. So the largest possible number of yellow flags, right, is 15 sets. So since each set have 2 yellow, 15 sets will have 15 times 2 equals to 30 yellow flags. Okay, so this is the answer. So for the parents watching this, not all models need to be rectangular blocks. No, a visual representation can take, it can be represented in any way you want. As long as your child is able to see and understand what they're drawing, is perfectly fine. Okay, it will be perfectly alright. So for this one, remember, always find a repeating unit, find the number of items in each repeating unit, then find the number of sets. Okay, then you'll be able to get the answer. Right, done.